cascade bracelet. First, prepare several pearls in 3mm, 4mm, and 5mm sizes. Double-hole zircon spacer beads, a matching clasp, and crimp beads. Then prepare 4 pieces of 0.3mm soft steel wire, each slightly longer than your wrist size. Thread the wires through the clasp and secure them with crimp beads. Fix the crimp beads in place, as shown in the video, and align all 4 wire ends. On the first and fourth wires, string 3 4mm pearls each. On the 2 middle wires, string 1 5mm pearl each. Then thread on a spacer bead, followed by another 5mm pearl on each wire. Next, use spacer beads to connect the first wire with the second wire, and the third wire with the fourth wire, as shown in the video. Starting from the second row on both sides, string the beads in the order of 4mm, 3mm, and 4mm pearls. Repeat this pattern. While beading, measure against your wrist to ensure the bracelet fits perfectly. For the final row, follow the same bead pattern as the first row. Then add 4 crimp beads and attach the clasp. Unfortunately, I didn't capture that step on video. Sorry about that. I can only show you the finished result after the clasp is attached. Use tools to gently tighten each wire and adjust the tension. Finally, secure the crimp beads. Trim off any excess wire and your bracelet is complete. And just like that, you'll have a pearl bracelet that feels both luxurious and stylish.